Want to design epic game storyline with AI? Here's a quick step-by-step to get started. First, pick your AI tool, ChatGPT, NovelAI, or specialized game writing platforms. These can generate branching narratives and character arcs. In ChatGPT, you can find this story GPT just by looking it up in Google. Define your game genre: fantasy, sci-fi, horror, or RPG. The clearer your input, the more immersive the AI-generated storyline would be. Write a simple prompt describing your world, main characters, and the type of conflict. For example, make me a villain in a futuristic city, action story, or a futuristic city where rebels fight corrupted AI overlords. Now, ask the AI to create multiple plot branches, like hero choices, alternative endings, or side quests, to make gameplay even more dynamic and replayable. Refine the storyline by editing AI outputs, keep the parts you like, rewrite weak sections, and add your own creative twists. Export the storyline into your game engine, Unreal, Unity, or RPG Maker by pasting scripts or connecting with AI integration plugins. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.